Hello everyone. Let's start our journey to learn Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language that lets you work more quickly and smartly. There will be a series of tutorials for beginners. In this first tutorial, we will learn how to install Python and Visual Studio. And we'll also write a simple code that will display, "Hello, I'm learning Python." We will be using Python Interpreter and Visual Studio for our entire lessons. We will be teaching you the basics of programming, which includes numbers, strings, control flows, data structures, and many more things. Let's start our installations. Let's first install Python. Go to the link, either you can copy, paste, or you can just click over here. It will open this page. Now here it will detect which operating systems you are using. I'm using Windows, so it detected I'm using Windows, and this is a link to download Python. Let's click this link. Now it shows the downloaded file over here. If I click this file, it will open a screen like this. Always remember to click this checkbox. I will explain you later why it is needed. And now you can install Python. It will take just a minute, so let's wait. So now the Python is installed. Let's check if it is installed or not. Come to this search place, write CMD. Now right here, Python version. Yes, Python is installed and the version used is 3.9.4. Now let's do one more thing before moving to installing Visual Studio. Let's write Python here. You'll get an app here. Just click this. This is the interactive shell. Now just write here 2 plus 2. It gives us 4. So Python is available and working. Let's move forward. Now let's install Visual Studio. Go to this link. It will open the window like this. Click here. Click Community. It has downloaded the exe file. Let's click here. Let's start the installation. Continue. This goes very fast. Now next step is to click here, which is already clicked by default, Python development, install. Now this takes a while, so I'm going for a pause and we'll get back in a few seconds. Now the installation has completed. Now we're done with the installation. Now let's move to the next step, running the code. Now let's run our one-liner code in Python Interpreter and Visual Studio. First, we will run the code in Python Interpreter, also called Python Interactive Shell. Now, see, this is what we have to do. Write Python in the search tab of Windows. Write print hello, I'm learning Python. Please note that Python is case sensitive. Print must always be in small letters. Press enter on the computer keyboard and you'll get the results like below. Let's do it. Python. Now, write print hello, I'm learning Python. Enter. Yes, you got the output. Hello, I'm learning Python. So now you have run your code in the Python interactive shell. Now let's close this one. Move forward. Now run the same code in Visual Studio. These steps should be followed. Write Visual Studio in search bar. Create a new project. I will explain you later why creating a new project. In future, we can use the existing folder also. Select Python application, template and click next. Name the project. You can name here anything you want, but I have given Hello Python. Then click create, write the code, and there are three ways to run the code. Let's follow the instructions. Visual Studio. Now, what were the next steps? Create new project. Create new project. Select Python application template. Python application is selected over here. Click next. You can give any name. Hello Python, or let's see. Hello Python. Create. Now it will show the window like this. On the right side, we have Solution Explorer. This is the editor where we have to write the code. Now let's follow the instructions. Write the code, print hello, I'm learning Python. Now here, if you keep writing things, you will get the display of the functions over here. So then write double quotes, hello, I am learning Python. Now these things were not shown in the interactive shell. When you write here print and all, it doesn't, it shows the options here in the Visual Studio, but it doesn't show the options in interactive shell. So now what next we have to do? Run the code by running either of the below options. Right click the editor and click start without debugging. You got the display, hello, I'm learning Python. So this is the output of your print command. Second, by clicking start on top toolbar. This is start, let's do it. See, you again got the output, hello, I'm learning Python. But if you don't want these windows to pop up and you want the results at the bottom, what to do? Control A to select everything on the screen and then click Control plus Enter. Control A, then click Control plus Enter. See, now you got the results at the bottom of the screen. Hello, I'm learning Python. So good learning, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.